In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the features of the Jira platform on benzluisarlos.atlassian.net. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this guide will help you maximize your productivity and enhance your workflow with Jira's powerful tools and intuitive interface. First things first, let's head over to the Jira platform. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL benzluisarlos.atlassian.net. Once the page has loaded, you'll land on the For You section of Jira. This is your personalized dashboard where you can see updates that are relevant to your tasks and projects. The For You section is designed to give you a snapshot of what's most important to you, streamlining the information that you need to see and enabling you to jump into action quickly. To ensure you're working efficiently, you might find it helpful to adjust the view size of your browser, especially if you're using a screen with limited real estate. An easy way to do this is by using your keyboard. Simply press and hold the Control key and then press the plus key to zoom in. This will make the text and elements on the page larger and easier to read. Conversely, if you need to zoom out and see more on your screen, you can hold the Control key and press the minus key. This flexibility allows you to customize your view according to your preferences and needs. Once you're comfortable with how everything looks on your screen, you can explore the various widgets and notifications available on the For You page. You'll find that the interface is incredibly user-friendly, offering intuitive navigation and categorized content, making it easier for you to manage your tasks, prioritize work, and stay updated on any ongoing projects you're part of. While navigating, keep an eye on the notifications and updates relevant to your projects. They provide a quick glance at what's new so you can prioritize tasks and plan your day better. Remember, staying updated and responsive in a dynamic workspace like Jira is crucial to maintaining a smooth workflow. As you use Jira, don't hesitate to explore additional features that can help you work more efficiently. Options to customize widgets, manage settings, and create shortcuts can all be found within the dashboard, allowing you to tailor Jira to suit your specific needs. That brings us to the end of our overview. I hope this demonstration has given you the necessary insights to navigate Jira on benzluisarlos.atlassian.net effectively. By personalizing your setup and staying informed with the For You section, you're well on your way to being more organized and productive in your daily tasks. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you maximize your productivity with Jira.